Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be setting up our project to scrape quotes. What I've done is I've created a new project called Scraping Quotes, the code to which is linked in the lecture. And so feel free to have a wee look at it if you want. But I'd recommend you go through the few videos here just before going into the code, because the way we're going to structure the app may be a bit different from or more complicated than other things we've done before. We're going to create a new Python file, which is going to be app. This is going to be the entry point of our application. We're going to be running this file. We're also going to create a couple of packages. We're going to create a pages package. We're going to create a new package also on the top called locators. So notice how our scraping quotes project contains locators, pages, and app. And finally, we're also going to create a final package called parsers. So now it contains 3 different packages: locators, pages, parsers, and app. The purpose of these is to separate the different parts of our program. The locators is going to contain, you guessed it, the locators of where things are in the HTML, how we can find things. The pages is going to contain the code to use those locators to find particular things in a page. And finally, the parsers are very similar to pages, but for specific things that we want to work with. Okay. Then we're going to create a few files. For the locators, we're going to create 2 files: quote locators and also a quotes page locators. The quote locators are those locators used when we want to extract information from within a single quote. Quotes page locators are the locators for when we want to extract quotes from a page. In the pages, we're going to create a quotes page. This is going to contain some code related to getting data out of the quotes page, which is the main page that we saw earlier in the previous video. And finally, the parsers is going to contain one called quote, and this is going to get some tag and is going to be able to find quote data within that tag. Okay, let's move on to the next video, and we're going to start writing some of these locators by comparing and finding things using the browser. I'll see you in the next video.